updates coming in. The Delhi Education Minister Ashish Sood has written to Arvind Kejriwal over the misleading statement on government school teachers deployed for dog counting duties. The Delhi Education Minister has now written to Kejriwal in this regard, going on to say that misleading claims had been made because no teachers were actually deployed for the counting of stray dogs. Kritika getting us this update. Kritika, so what of us breaking out over the news that came in that teachers will be deployed for counting of dogs. Now the minister responding and saying that these are misleading claims.
Well, yes, remember the Education Minister has also earlier cleared the air as far as this particular notification is concerned. He has called it misleading social media campaign headed by the Aam Aadmi Party as well. In fact, Delhi police has also been asked to file complaints to track accounts that has been spreading such false information on the direction of the Delhi government. Now, Ashish Sood, the Delhi Education Minister, has also written to former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He said that despite already holding such a high office, that of the Chief Minister in Delhi, he is still indulging in a politics of shoot and scoot, that he's making allegations that cannot be in fact double checked, and they're only making this in order to garner political fervor without any basis in truth. This is the letter, this is in fact the virtue of the letter that Ashish Sood has written to Arvind Kejriwal. Remember earlier as well, he had said that police complaints will be filed against those found guilty of spreading such information as well. Over to you.
All right, Kritika, thank you for joining us with those details. You mentioned that letter, so let's take a look at what this letter actually says. This is what the minister has said, and this is directly addressed to Arvind Kejriwal. It says, "Dear Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji, I write to you with deep concern over the wrong and misleading statements that you have recently made regarding the deployment of government school teachers in Delhi." So going on to say, you have publicly alleged that teachers are being assigned duties related to the counting of stray dogs. These assertions are not only incorrect but also amount to serious misinterpretation of facts. The government circular on this matter is already in public domain. So this is the letter that has been written by the minister addressed to Kejriwal. We're keeping a track of any response that comes in from Kejriwal amid the war of words that is taking place.